Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I'm in my backyard because it's a nice day. It's not raining finally and the wind isn't like off the charts. So I'm gonna do some spray painting. I've got a project that has needed to be done for a minute. It's not from the doom pile. I just picked it up on a garage sale, I wanna say 3 weeks ago. Meant to get it done right away, but it was raining like crazy. So at least it's not too far gone. Let me show you. This little plant rack is sun faded, seen better days. So I'm just gonna tape off this little globe part, but you can see it's really faded and kind of weathered. So we're just gonna give it a nice new coat of black spray paint, and for it I've got ultra matte black paint, and that's what we're gonna do today. The first person who can figure out a way to mask off a circle or a round object without being annoying and having me broke into a million pieces is getting all my money. Because I know taking that off is going to be a pain because I had to break up a lot of small pieces, but I don't have that much left in here. I'm hoping it's enough. We'll find out. Let me show you how I've got it set up. So I've got the sawhorses out, and what I did was I kicked it open just enough so that I can spray in and around all the different mechanisms. There's no way to stand this up without like spraying the grass, and I don't want to do that. So this is what we're going to start with, and hopefully it works. Okay, I need to let that dry so I can flip it over and get the other side, but it was short strokes trying to keep most of the paint on the pulls, like these little pipes. You get so much overspray, and I hate to waste all that paint. Margot wasn't getting enough attention, clearly. Where are you, Margot? Margot sighting. There she is, Margot. Margot, look. That's a good girl. That's my good girl. She's out chasing gophers. You're not getting enough attention? She's a good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? All right, it's been about an hour and I've got it flipped over now, and it's time to paint the other side. I'm almost out of paint, so let's hope I did a good job. Once that's dry, we'll stand it up on end and see if I've missed any spots. Let's hope I did good. All right, I did pretty good, except this one foot down here. Can you see that? Yeah, I gotta hit that. It was a simple project, but it was a holiday weekend, and now she's all done. She looks beautiful. I'm gonna put a price tag on her and get her into Pickett. The yard at Pickett, but either way, it's a nice quick project. Happy to have it done and ready for inventory as opposed to the doom pile. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, PeonyLaneDesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.